No, actually.
All right, second half, game 2.
On St. John Street. I was like, you can't work at the one
Balls in.
time.
Oh, there you go. Nice, Panda. Nice, guys. You all right, Panda? Nice work.
Walk it off, you can do it.
Whoa, guys. All right.
Let's go, Blue. Nice sack. Way to be there.
Come on, kid. Get some open space.
Go, Blue!
That's it. Take out the angle. Come on, jump on that.
Man. Guys, you gotta talk.
All right, let's go, guys. Some offense.
Here's some screaming goals.
Yep. Come on, Kate.
Right, push up.
Move together.
Corner, go corner. Nice. Who's with them? Press. Corner.
Yeah.
Yes. Well done.
Nice work.
Keep it down. Come on, guys, team it down there. Go two.
Sorry, Gavin.
Dish it out. Come on, guys, stay out of the center.
Where's the bird bench? These passes ought to be labeled. Go. Yo, pass, bro. Back.
Pressure.
All right.
Don't worry,
See you.
you're hit it out, so you have to get it this time.
You can wait till they sub him out. You don't have to go get him right now. They get another one?
Ball coming in.
Oh, they get another ball, too. I want to see you go.
We don't want to lose it, though. Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's obvious where it is.
Jen, come on.
Come on, kid. Get on
I
it.
might be upset with him, but he's still my friend. Well done. Let's go, Blue. Tempo.
Go, shoot!
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Nice goal.
Yeah, I was going to say, I take that one off. That one's going to rip. Yeah.
All right, guys, come on. No worries. Let's get one back right now.
Guys, a lot of time.
You want the ball. Let's go. You want the ball.
Man.
I missed the whole thing.
What's that?
I
I missed it too.
Get up.
Good.
Pressure.
One side. No turns. Who's there?
Come on, reset. Let's go score one. Let's go. Drive it in. Let's go. They look stale.
Yep.
Need to wake up a bit.
Yeah. Come on, guys. You want this. You need it.
We're down 2-0 with 4 guys back.
Come on, guys. We want this. Let's go.
Let's go, Blue!
Come on, you got to want it. Let's go. We got to want this. Okay, what are you playing? Are you left wing? Let him stretch it out a little. Stretch it out. Thank you. Don't drop it down. There we go. There we go.
Second ball.
Come on. Okay, move forward. No, we're not doing this again. Yeah. Great ball. Open up. Nice ball. No, it's blue. Oh, yeah, nice work. Nice work.
Coming in, George.
All right, Kate, turn it around. I didn't see what happened. Come on, guys. Here we go. This way. This way. This way. Not short and easy. Let's go. Up. We're now going to start passing. Passing for passing's sake, not for advantage's sake. Come on, guys, here we go. Whoa. Is that right?
Drop and roll.
I got it on tape, don't worry. You don't need to sue anybody.
I told you cat light. Yeah, cat light. Land it all back.
When you say cat like, do you mean you land on all four?
Yeah.
Is that?
After he rolls back over.
I don't like dropping this back. Come on, guys, we got to go. That's good. Let's drop it in now. Let's drop it in.
Quick passes, quick strong passes.
Go.
Quick strong passes.
Go, Blue!
Trying to move. Quick strong passes. Look up.
Don't let it go out. Don't let it go out.
Good.
I know. As soon as I
I don't know.
Okay, mark up.
Yeah, no, it's blue.
Yeah, I got 9. I got 9. They hit him when he's out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Sorry, we had one go our way. We'll let that one go that way. Oh, what disruption. Good. Turn it up. Let's go. Oh, nice.
Come on, Blue!
I'm not going to be able to punch it in. I think we figured that out by now.
Great ball. That was nice.
Go get it.
Yeah, I think that's a multi. That's it, Blue. Come on. Stay in it, Blue.
White, yellow.
It's time. We need one.
Come on, Blue.
Let's go, Blue.
Pressure, pressure.
Good.
Keep it up. Put one in, Blue. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Come on, guys. Open it up. You're stuck in this half. Let's go. We need some offense, Nate. Come on. Come on. You guys we gotta drag you out of the defensive half here. Come on. I got it. I got it on you.
You two at once.
Let's go, Kay. Come on.
Move, move, move. Go to that ball.
Did you keep it in?
I think it's out when he took it though. Good foot.
Come on, Blue.
I don't understand. We seem a little stale.
A bit of malaise.
Like we're two down. We could score. Let's score.
Or down.
Fire it up. Let's go.
I am definitely too. And
Go, go.
Good back. Good back.
No way!
Whoa. That was some nice play. That is some nice soccer, boys. That's Blue.
Good, guys.
Come on, here we go. There it is, Kate. Come on. It's got to be you. Come on. Come on. It's got to be you.
Pressured that. Gave him room.
All right, now upfield. Upfield.
The other upfield.
Come on, play forward. Quicker.
Yeah. Come on, your offense. Roll it out. Up, move. It's okay. Happens. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Oh, there it is.
Good job, Cole.
Up. There we go. There we go. Good save. All right, come on, right back in. Go get it. Go get it.
Good try.
Good. Force it.
Again.
Lucky. Nice step over. Seen more body than ball. Oh, just got unlucky.
Shoot!
Come on, gotta fight it. Let's go.
Go, Blue.
Pick it up here. Come on. Nice.
Get down so I can see.
Good. Come on, guys, makes a difference. Let's go. All right, Nate, here it is.
Hat trick.
30 seconds of hard work here. Come on.
Win it.
That's it. 30 seconds of hard work.
Shoot, shoot.
Come on, guys.
Good work, Blue. Good work.
Nice run, Nate.
Good job, Cole.
Let's go, Blue.
What happened?
I think he was walking off the field just when they started.
Tricked everybody.
Yep. It's kind of sneaky.
This is not a game where we can be lazy, boys. Yes, on that immediately.
Come on, Kate.
Come on, Ellie.
Come on, there we go. Oh, almost. Great, D.
Well done.
Turn it right around, right around.
Pick it out.
Nice job. Keep. What's going on?
Come on, Blue. You gotta get the ball.
All right. Mark him up. Let's go. Mark him up. That's out.
A lot of shirt on that one.
Come on, guys. You're down 2. We need one. Oh, you're subbing. You're subbing. This ball. Coming to you.
Come on, guys. Pulling in.
Yeah. There we go.
Get rid of it. It's dribbling under 5 people.
Oh.
Worked. You almost got it.
Took a good shot. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. Come on, guys.
They look tired or something. This is a good team, right? They use the whole field really well.
Go wide, wide, wide.
Time. One coming.
We need TJ out there.
You can get David all day long.
Yeah.
Just keeps,
Follow-up point.
Good.
Let's go, Blue. Take advantage of it.
Come on, Blue. Push up.
David.
Guys, get in. Get in the ball.
Nice kip.
Hey, boys, first the ball.
Tight.
We're up.
Find David.
Step.
Here we go.
Come on, guys. Play forward.
Good ball, Samana.
One.
Yes!
Nice ball.
Mark, tight. Ryan, nothing to the gap. Stay tight. Hand over. Hand up.
Not back.
That'll work.
Yeah.
Let's go, Blue.
Go with them. Go with them. Oh.
Backing up, boys.
Yeah.
Stay up. George, don't let him push you back. Stay up a bit.
Take that all day.
Well done, Link. Guys, gotta play up. Come on.
This seems like a small ball. It doesn't seem like a foul. Doesn't it?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Go, David. Go.
Come on, guys. Get
What are you doing? I don't know what that was either.
Let's go, guys.
What do we got for time?
15-ish.
15? Still got plenty of time. Let's go.
We sure do.
I think Zach's done. No, I
Oh, get on that.
Upfield. Come on, guys. Upfield.
Come on, guys. You got to play forward.
Upfield, guys. Come on. Upfield. What are we doing? Okay.
Go, Gavin.
He's tired.
Flying right home.
Just take position.
Let's go, Blue.
Get in front of them.
Yes.
Don't let them follow up. Nice. Beautiful save. There we go. There we go. Yes.
Amen.
There we go. Oh, no. One more ball. Here's a ball. Here's a ball.
That one's dumber. Let's test your theory, guys.
Watch over my head. How do you know?
Lock it up. Lock it up, Kate. Right back in. Right back in. Come on. Come on, Kay.
There's a long stick down here.
Come on, we need some drive here.
Go eat it.
What was that?
I don't know. They just kind of fell down. I didn't see it.
Yeah, I thought they both hit foot to foot.
Yeah.
I don't know why that's
Go,
a
Blue!
I don't know why that's a whistle.
Nor do I.
My bed.
Hey, here comes the storm. Nice.
Ah, sight.
Yeah.
God.
I should have canceled that practice.
Let's see.
Ooh, it's very cold.
Come on, Blue. You got some time.
Come on, rest
Go,
up. Here we
Blue.
go. Turn it up. Turn it up. Come on, we need one here. All goal.
If he knew his call was broken, he would be all right. Because he knows what that is.
Keep going forward. Keep going forward.
Send him, send him.
Go, Kate. Go. There we go. Upfield. Go. There we go. That's it. Come on. Let's make this happen. Come on. That's it. Okay, check on your team.
Are we playing hockey or what's going on out there?
You bring a line and I got a pole. Let's go, Kay. Let's go, boys. Trap this. Yep. Don't worry about it. Yeah, nice. Right back. Go, Kay. Go. Go. Yeah. Come on, now. Nice work.
Go Blue.
Nice work. All right, guys, come on, one more. Plenty of time, but we need it.
This is number 2.
It's fine, let it out. Blue. Upfield, upfield. Here we go. Go to the goal. Go to the goal. Nice heads. Nice work.
Well done, Eden. Get there, Ben.
Upfield. Oh, a little hot. Here we go. Come on, guys. Pressure. Great. Great pressure. Come on, Kay. Come on, Kay. Play that guy. Right back. There we go. Upfield. Up. Off the ball. Nice work, kid. Is that what happened? You guys talk to each other. Here we go. Come on. We got to make something happen here. Figure this out. Let's go. It's full speed. This is full speed.
Eden.
Let it happen and then go.
Don't you all have water?
Yeah, they do at the end. During playoffs, they all have water. Yeah. I think that's what she's doing. We all fell for it.
Upfield. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, Panda.
That's a penalty.
Good. Take it. Reset. Take your time. Set it up right. Is that a green card? I like this, guys. Let's go.
Go Blue.
I like it. Oh, what a shot.
Yes.
Oh. There's a lot of feet in there.
Yes, there you go, White.
Get on him, Allie.
What happened? All right.
I was out.
Okay, you feeling good? Let's go, Kay. Stay on. Let's go.
Come on, Blue.
They're tired. They're tired too. Come on.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. Handle it up. Move it up. Move it up. Okay, 4 minutes. Gonna need full speed. Full speed.
I think I got off changed. And they're not shooting as often as much as they should have.
Yes, yes, yes.
Story of our lives.
Going well.
It's 100%. This ball's coming out. Speed, with speed, with speed, with speed. Come on, Kay, you gotta go for it.
Let's go. No time.
Nice work. No work. You okay?
Anybody else's kid, we'd have to pay money for that.
It's okay. It's mine. I'll take it. I just like the close-up I got of that. Uh-oh. Man this out. He's cramping.
That one's good shit.
That's what I'm saying.
Come on, Panda. Help him up, guys. Help him up.
Our team is like
Wing. Your wing. Come on.
Let's go, Blue.
Come on. Come on. You got time. We got to make it.
Move. Someone down the line.
Okay. That's it. That's it, Kate.
Oh, come on.
He's got nice shoulders. Nice job. Nice job.
Well done.
That's it, guys. Move it out.
Go, Blue. Go take advantage.
Okay, you got a minute. Let's go. Let's. You gotta let him play fast. Come on. You gotta let him play. You can't keep whistling and the ball dead and letting it stop. All right, let's go for it. Come on.
The lightning right here.
Top left. Top left. Nice ball. Nice ball. That's really good.
Is that dangerous?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. He's so tall. His foot was up here. Come on, guys. Oh, unlucky bounce.
Nice, Gavin.
Let's go, Blue. Pulling in.
Ah, 2-0. They won. Nice game.